Welcome everyone to our virtual open house. My name is Mr. Sal Annunziata. I'm the athletic director here at Regis, as well as phys ed teacher with Mr. Kevin Cullen. I'd like to run you through some important details of our physical education program as well as our athletic program. For all students, from the time that they will be freshmen to seniors, they will take phys ed twice per 8-day cycle, 2 times per 8-day cycle. We certainly have a lot of fun sports here at Regis in phys ed. The kids will play shoot ball, they'll play basketball, they'll play soccer, they'll play volleyball, some interesting sports like spike ball. So we mix it up, we have a lot of fun. Throughout the trimesters, the boys will go and run in Central Park as a part of their physical fitness test. One of the perks of being in New York City, they get to kind of shift their day and get a nice relaxing run in the beautiful, beautiful Central Park. Obviously, we are remote right now. When the boys do return back to school, assuming that everything is safe, we will adjust our curriculum to make it safe and still maintain activity and fun for all who are involved. For those of you who are interested in athletics, we also have a great repertoire of sports here at Regis, and we continue to have a lot of success throughout our athletic department. In the fall, we have soccer, cross country, and fall varsity baseball. In the winter, we have track and field, indoor track and field, and we have basketball. In the spring, we have outdoor track and field. We have baseball for JV and for varsity. We have golf, we have volleyball, and we have pretty cool ultimate frisbee. So for anyone interested more in athletics, please feel free to stop by our Zoom rooms. We'll be happy to answer any questions you may have, give you out some information, but I'm looking forward to meeting some of you. And go Regis.